Hey guys, the brand sent me this sound bar for free so I can check it out and connect it to my computer. I wanted to show you how cool and innovative this one is. It's plug and play and ready to go. Now this button up here is where you're going to choose your light mode. It's got 9 different light modes, which I'm going to quickly demonstrate here. You can see all the different colors. It's even got this dynamic one. But the coolest part is, if you hold down this button, you're gonna go into music sync mode. Now, whenever you play any music, it's gonna sync with it. It's also got volume control up and down up here. You can either sit it down on the base like I have it here, or you can clip it to the bottom of your computer using this spring-loaded clip. So it's easy to use, it looks awesome, it adds a nice ambiance to your room, has great sound, and I would definitely recommend this for anyone who wants a speaker for their computer that has a flair to it.